In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Slack, bringing two of your favorite productivity tools together for seamless collaboration. First things first, let's open your Trello board. Now, at the top right corner, you'll notice a little rocket ship icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is the gateway to all the wonderful enhancements you can add to Trello, which are known as power-ups. A quick note. Power-ups are essentially plugins developed by third-party creators to expand Trello's functionality beyond its as-is state. Next, you'll want to click on Add Power-ups. Once you're in the Power-ups menu, use the search bar to type in Slack. As soon as you see Slack appear, go ahead and hit that Add button. You're doing great so far. This step will add Slack to your Trello board's list of power-ups, readying it for configuration. To see your newly added power-up, let's return to the rocket ship icon by clicking on it again. Here, you'll be able to see a list of all your active power-ups. Find Slack on this list and click on it to start setting it up. This is the section where you'll begin configuring Trello to work with Slack. The next step is to add a Slack alert. By setting Slack alerts, you can keep everyone informed about what's happening in your Trello board directly through Slack. Once you've clicked on Add Slack Alert, the following action is to add Slack workspace. You'll initiate a process where you connect Trello to your specific Slack environment. Now, this might seem a little technical, but don't worry. It's straightforward. Click on Add Slack Workspace, and you'll be prompted to log in and authorize the connection with your Slack account. Follow the instructions on screen to enter your credentials. Once you've logged in and authorized successfully, your two tools are connected, and there you have it. With your Slack and Trello accounts now linked, you can enhance your workflows using Slack features in Trello's automation. This could mean sending alerts to specific channels when tasks are completed or moving tasks between lists. Imagine the time you can save by having much of the communication done automatically, keeping everyone in the loop with less manual effort. That's pretty much the whole process, from start to finish. It's an incredibly powerful tool set to aid in your project management and collaboration efforts, allowing you to communicate and track progress all in one place. Thanks for following along, and happy integrating.